Hey guys, just doing another quick video at the request of plenty of the users in the group. So I'm going to run down real quick again the issues that I described in other videos before and how to fix them, and then point out the specifics of what's going on with the cord swap. Okay, so here we are. First off, on the left, you're going to see the original screw that was holding the fan to the main unit, right? The second screw here is the replacement. Now, at first glance, you're not really thinking there's much difference between them, right? They're the same length. But what you'll notice at the neck of the screw up here, that screw has more of a tapered top to it, where the other is flat. What that allows is lets that screw sit just enough deeper where it actually fixes the fan unit to the main board or the main body of that enclosure, so it shouldn't vibrate as much, right? So, as you can see, here is my original UVC fan, right? The replacement looks just the same plug and everything. You're going to pull that out, and you're going to unplug it from this housing, or right here, this plug right here, and then just plug in the new one there and run the new one around and plug it back into its original location, right? So I'm going to cut this video so I can edit it together with me showing how I'm plugging this back in and screwing the housing back into the Steakager. So give me a few minutes and I will get that together. Thank you.